Hello everyone, welcome back to 3D tutorials. Today we will learn about how to create a model a basket to store the fruits like that. So with a very simple steps, just select the top plane. Once you entered into the sketch mode, select the ellipse and you just draw an ellipse. Make sure these 3 points are in a alignment. So I will take this as an horizontal. So now I have to provide the dimension for the now I have to select the dimension. So provide these dimensions as 150. Provide this dimension as 150, 150. Okay, the another side you select 300, 300. So once we updated the model to 300 millimeters, say okay. So after this you just extrude this one to 100 millimeters. You have to extrude to 100 millimeters and say draft with outward the 15 degrees, then say okay. So then if you want you can provide the fillet over here. So why we are using fillet over here means during molding the material flow will be easy. So that's why we prefer more fillets in the, and also it will strengthen the part. So just select this one and select the shell and select the thickness as 2 millimeters and say okay. So okay, after this what we have to do, we have to create a hole or a cut on this surface. So for that what I will do, I will select the front plane and I will say insert sketch. So then intersection curve. So after this select these two surfaces, say okay, then make it normal to. So then draw a center line, or we can call it as a construction line from here to here to just make the cut which is perpendicular to the surface. So I will come out of the sketch and geometry, create a plane for this one. So here select the center line and the point the plane will create which is perpendicular to that line. So after this just select a sketch and then draw a slot. So straight slot I will select. So here what I will do, I will draw in such a way which is vertical in nature. Sorry, I will select the center point slot. So here select this one, okay, say okay. So you can draw any profile, you can draw circle or triangle or which profile you want, but I am selecting just a slot here. So here just give the slot this one as I will give as 8 millimeters. So 8 millimeters. So then this one I will give it as 50 millimeters. 50 millimeters. So after this I will directly extrude this one. So here what I will say, mid plane I will take and I will say okay. So after this what we have to do, we have to create a composite curve to this edge, say okay. Then what we have to see, we have to go to the curve driven pattern. So here we have to select the edge, or we can select the curve driven. So here once we select the feature, it will automatically appear, and we can give the instances in such a way, equispacing, or we can give the distance between the one feature to another feature. So I am giving here approximately 30 instances. So we can call it as an approximately 30, and they are equally distributed 30. So you can do by using composite curve, or the edge also you can do. So after this, to produce one neck or a shoulder, so what I will do, I will select the front or right plane, select a sketch and just enter inside and say intersection curve, this face and this face. So let's this, actually for us these two are, this one is enough. Say okay. Then after this, so what I will do, I will draw a arc over here and over here, and I will make these two as coincide each other. So this one and this one, or we can make the arcs as a concentric to each other, both are similar. So what I will do, I will draw and this one. So we can end like this also, which is perpendicular, but here in this case I will take this one as normal to this one. So we have to extend, it has to come here, just extend this one, just trim it off the unwanted. So here to this one and this one are collinear, and this height we can specify. I will take this one as 10 millimeters. So once it is updated to 10 millimeters, okay, then I will provide this one also as 10 millimeters. So after this, what I will do, I will just go to swept command. So here one problem is there, that is one more sketch is here. Just delete this one. So then just revolve, just select sweep and just select this one will be this one, and this one will be, you can select the edge, or you can select the composite curve. So finally it has been completed. So this is how we can just model a basket. So I think you like this tutorial. So please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.